Or is someone that is happy to work while all others are out partying. An entrepreneur's drug is success. He is addicted to success. And finally, the entrepreneur knows one simple fact: I will make it, maybe not immediately, but absolutely and definitely.
You have to hustle. You have to think outside of the box to make things when it seems impossibly difficult for anything to happen. To continue to get up off of the canvas when you are beaten down relentlessly.
Win or learn. I never lose. I will succeed, not immediately, but absolutely and definitely. I will take action when others hesitate. I will think big when others don't. I will sacrifice when others won't. I will dare to dream of greatness when others fear it. I will outwork my competition day and night. I am the captain of my fate, the master of my soul, the boss of my dreams, the king of my goals.
You have to be a leader, to be unique, to be hungry always and never satisfied. Proud, but never satisfied. To be followed by the competition. To take criticism and negativity and use it to build your greatness, to survive the storms and the tough moments, to be humble in the good times. It is sacrificing your today for a better tomorrow. It is living a few years of your life like others won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like others can. That sacrifice, the dedication, the commitment, the discipline. Only rare human beings have these qualities. Only the very best among us. Then there's failure. Because we all know that it is coming, it is human nature. I mean, find me a successful human that has never failed. You can't, they don't exist. The only difference between the extremely successful among us in any field and the unknown, the only difference, the successful guy didn't give up. He found a way when there seemed to be no way. The other guy, he threw in the towel. Failure is simply learning another way not to do something. There are great lessons in failure.
When it comes to success, there is rarely ever a time when luck comes into play.
Hard work, however, always comes into play. There is no greater satisfaction in life than that of hard work paying off. No greater satisfaction than knowing you are self-made. Take action while all others are sitting on their hands. The great difference between the somebodies and the nobodies very often only comes down to who is willing to take action, who is willing to put in the work, the grind. Are you willing?
So, are you ready? Yeah. So there is another video I shared with you already. Just saw the video, and so many special feature in this video they told in their WWF language. Is there worldwide fighter? What the terminology? Can anyone help me? WWF? What is the full form of WWF? Any panelist? Yes? Can you help me? You heard about the language, you heard about the tone. So many things you learn in this video. And the one important line they told entrepreneur, they never gave up. They knows they can achieve it with you or without you. So ultimate aim of the video. We learn the etiquette and attitude and most important ingredients of an entrepreneur. So ultimately, now let us start our unit 2. Here you can see it's an idea to business model, unit 2, session 4, date 23rd of June, timing is 12 to 1:30. And in this unit, in session first, there is a more than 3-4 session for this unit also. Then in this session, it is session number 4. We will learn introduction of entrepreneurship, as you saw in a video also, and meaning and concept of entrepreneurship and difference between entrepreneurship and wage employment. And the last one, but not least, functions of an entrepreneur. So it's my humble request to each and everyone, submit your assignment within the time frame so that you can remember what is your learning from sessions. So after every session, if you write up to till evening or maximum till 7 or 8 o'clock, then it is remember, and it is a reminder for you what you learn on that day. So now let us start with the introduction of entrepreneur. So as you saw in the video already, nothing too much. You already knows those are belongs to businessman family. Entrepreneur is the act of being an entrepreneur. Most important, you can read it here. Who can undertake? Undertake means you can take a responsibility. Yes, it's my baby, it's my organization, and I have to make it a success. Here, in undertake, first line, I already shared with you, innovation. As in a first unit, we studied innovations. Entrepreneur minds are always working for doing different new. They are doing a different things. So first, innovation is a very important to become a entrepreneur. And second, manage your finance and business acumen. Acumen meaning, what does mean of acumen? Just write down on chat box. Write down on chat box what does meaning of the acumen. It is an effort to transfer innovation into economic goods. In first unit, I already told you about the features of product. Triple E, economical, effective, and eco-friendly. Economical, effective, and eco-friendly. Can you write down on chat box? We are on 99. Very soon we are making a century. Oh my God, run out. It's goes to 98. 99, 100. Wow, good congratulations, everyone. So what was that features of triple E? Triple E. Just write down on chat box. Fast, fast, fast. Features. Yes, yes, wonderful. Just write down triple E features. Yeah. Panelists, be active. Everyone, panelists, be active. Yes. What are the features of triple E? 102 we crossed. Good. Panelist, triple E features. Write down on the chat box. Write down on chat box. Yeah. Write down immediately. Yes. Economic, eco-friendly, and effective. Is that clear to everyone? Now we come on next. It's a continue of the entrepreneurship. So in first slide, we able to know about the innovation, finance, business acumen, and innovation into economic goods. So it is an effort to transfer innovations into economic goods. inputs. In first unit, we already discussed the product will be success if it is commercialized, and when it is commercialized, it should be approved by the consumer. So here we go again. It is a result of new organization, maybe part of revitalizing mature organization in response to perceived opportunity. So what are the opportunity we think about this, we perceive about this, we can revitalize. Revitalizing means usko hame फिर से fresh कर देना again. And the most obvious form of entrepreneurship is that starting a new business, which is called startup company. Even in recent year, it is extended up to social and political form. If we talk about the entrepreneurship, it is developed now social and political form of entrepreneurial activities. So sometime you saw there are so many companies, they organize the corporate social responsibilities. Some they did the social activities to connect with the society, because no society is different than entrepreneur, and entrepreneur never be differ, never be separate from the society. A successful entrepreneur never be separate with the society, which is the most important part. And we talk about this one.
So we can't hear you.
Panelist. Thank you so much, panelist. Yes. So we talk about here an introduction part. Entrepreneurship is describing activity within the firm or large organization in it. It's referred also intrapreneurship. Intrapreneur means they are working together, work with each other. And here we talk about the corporate venturing. You heard about the some company merge with each other. You heard about Saint Gobain, they make glasses for their cars for Maruti, Hyundai and all. So they are making the corporate venturing, means B2B, business to business. If some is a big company like a Hero Group, they make a very different parts, but every part is not completed by the Hero Group. Might be a packaging, might be the petrol tank of the motorcycle, might be the nickeling of the handle. So many things, and they can be prepared in their separate unit. So once they make their part in the separate unit, and it's called the annexure or auxiliary industry. So auxiliary industry means the particular part is manufacturing is that industry. It's 100% production is supplied to their master vendors. So master vendor, who is this? Master means those like a Hyundai car, Maruti is a master producer, and those are making the tire or any other accessory of the car, they call the auxiliary industry. They call the vendors. So here we talk about the corporate venturing and intrapreneurship. It's become when the organization is a large. In the small level, it's called the entrepreneur. In the big level, it's called the intrapreneurship. So till here, I think we understood the basic points of the entrepreneurship. Can Anyone help me from the panel member? What are the bold points of the first topic we discussed? Anyone can help me? Yeah? Tanya, Khushi, Shushti. Anyone can help me?
So here entrepreneurship is told that it is an act of converting innovations into economic goods.
Very nice. And others? Can we go for the second slide? Here, revitalizing, mature, perceived opportunity. And the most over it's called start. All right. And when we saw this, the last slide of introduction of entrepreneur, intrapreneurship and corporate venture. So now we move on the number 2 topic, the meaning and concept of entrepreneurship. As you saw in the video, there's so many things he told about who is an entrepreneur. Never give up. They always talk about the innovation. They never feel tiredness. They work 24/7 and they work to achieve their goals. So ultimately, if we talk about the concept of entrepreneurship, you can saw that video and listen carefully. At least 5 times you must be listening. Then you point out more than 50 points you can take out from that video. So everything you need to know about the concept of it. The word entrepreneur is borrowed from French language. The French language, entreprendre. They call entreprendre. So the meaning of this one is a undertake. Undertake means they take some responsibility to run the show, to give the opportunity to each and every factor of production. So in coming slide, I am sharing with you what are the factor of production. So we must know that this word borrowed from French language. In French language, the entrepreneur told undertake. All right. So they feel proud to say entrepreneur is come from entrepreneur. And if I talk about the Hindi, in Hindi words called उद्यमी. उद्यमी. आप पेरेंट्स से पूछते हैं उद्यम करो मीन्स साहस करो, आगे बढ़ो. जो मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठता है, फटाफट उठ के तैयार हो जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं उद्यमी है. वो लेजी नहीं है. तो उद्यमी हिंदी के शब्द से आया है और एंटरप्रेन्योर आपके फ्रेंच वर्ड से आया है जो कि अंडरटेक. Now here we take the entrepreneur come undertake. It's a literal sense in the word is language traced much before emergence of activity, generally associated with entrepreneurs today. So they take this word undertaker. How many knows the undertaker or WWF? Huh? Yeah. No one help you. What does mean of WWF or any other things? There's a bullfighter fight with each other. Huh? There's a fake fighting. So there's a very famous our Khali Bali, then undertaker, very famous undertaker. All right. So here, the another part of the concept of entrepreneur, just remember this line. Number of time the management call art and science, but here you can understand entrepreneurship is neither a science nor an art. Is it? कोई कला नहीं है, कोई विज्ञान नहीं है. It is a practice, simple as that. It is a practice, and practice makes you perfect, right? Means आपने काम शुरू कर दिया, जो भी उतार चढ़ाव आएंगे, particular adverse situation में भी आपको decisions लेने हैं. Is that so? Just remember this line: entrepreneurship neither a science nor an art. It is a simply, it is a practice, and we have to do the practice. And it has a knowledge base, and ultimate the last line in this slide called knowledge in entrepreneurship is a means to an end. Now here, just note down in your pen and paper what does mean of means here and what does mean of and here. The spelling called and means finish. No. Here we are studying the economic part and entrepreneur and commercial part. So the meaning of means are here. This is means. The means mean resources. Means mean resources. Note it down. Means resources. Right? Is it? For getting any result. And here ants mean result. Ultimate. So we use the resources to get result. Got it my point? We use the resources to get result. The knowledge is a means knowledge is a resources and is the whatever we get the result. Ultimate what we can achieve our objectives. All right. This one is clear to everyone. So we clear the introduction of entrepreneurship. We clear the meaning and concept of entrepreneurship. And here we come on the next slide, which called difference between entrepreneurship and wages. Difference between entrepreneurship and wage employment. So further going at, just see this table. This is a very important table and you need to understand, and moreover you need to write down. I make it through a table and I am explaining with you. So here for the producing any product, I am repeating my word, producing any product, and product called goods and services. Goods and services. So either we can say goods and services or either we can say product. So producing of any product, we need a factor of production. What we need? Factors of production, FOP. So what are the factors of production? Number one, land. Remember the sequence. Remember the sequence. What comes first before the human being? Before the start of civilization? This planet. We call this blue planet, we call it Earth. Is it? And Earth is fully rich with the natural resources. So the land is come from nature. Planet. It's a part of planet. There is a base of the land. We call the fertility. We get the crop. And where the inside of the land, so many minerals, petrol, oil, gas, iron ore, and many more. And the upper part of land, we have a huge mountains, stone mountains, which we converted into cement, concrete, and we use in the construction. We have a forest, and we have a many herbals, and we have a rubbers, raw material. Each and every raw material is available on this land. Whatsoever we produce this pen. For pen, we need a rubber or plastic, and rubber or plastic we can get from the nature. Is it? So land is the first factor of production, which is given by the free gift from nature. Free gift from nature. And what is the reward and cost? If you take your own land, it's your cost. If you will take on hire on rental basis, then you have to give a rent, or you can take on lease. You can give a payment to the landlord. Got it my point? Yes, land is the first factor of production, which is given by the nature. And everything come in the land. Upper part, base, or inner part. The quality of fertility of land is another resources for us. We want to produce anything for eating, for fooding ourselves, then we use the fertility power of land. We want to run our car, we need petrol, gas, each and everything is available on this planet. Just we do process. Number two is a labor, LLCE. Remember this point, remember this table. Those who can take a photo of this slide, they can take a photo of this slide. So ultimately, we can talk about the land and labor. So here we go ahead more and more. So labor is main skilled labor, unskilled, semi-skilled. The labor means it is supplied by the human being, man or woman. We are a labor. So we use the natural gift from the land. We use our skill. We make a mechanism. Then we make a machine. We want to make a machine. What we need? आपने सुना होगा पुराने जमाने के आदि मानव ने सबसे पहला इन्वेंशन क्या था? गोल पहिया, राउंड. उससे क्या हुआ? कुछ फंक्शनिंग स्मूथ हुई, मूवमेंट स्मूथ हुआ. तो जो गोल पहिया जो उसने बनाया, कहां से? लकड़ी कहां से आई? लैंड से, फॉरेस्ट से. और लेबर, उस ह्यूमन बीइंग ने अपना स्किल यूज किया और उस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट को, चाहे वो पत्थर से या कुछ भी उससे पकड़ के उसने हार्ड सरफेस से उसको गोल किया. और व्हेन ही रोल्ड इट, then he will get the result. If I use this particular to carry one place to another place, any heavy material, then I can use this wheel. Is that land and labor joined together? They can make some inventions. And now the come part of the capital. So capital is a man-made thing. Money is considered as a capital. You make your building, consider as a capital. Machine, consider as a capital. Or any other fixed assets, house, structures, any kind of things which labor and land, that together they make something which is called capital. So capital is a man-made thing. It's always a man-made thing. And what is the labor? What is the reward of capital? It is supplied by the capitalist, and its reward is the interest. Right? Its reward is the interest, or its cost is the interest. Because if someone use the capital of someone, it become a cost. If anybody use the capital of XYZ, then it will become its income. So interest is the income for first part, and interest is the income of second part. So who raised the hand? Someone raised the hand. Who want to become? Yeah. So here we can go more. I'm able to see chat. Okay. Attendance with correct date. Attendance is very important to everyone. Take care. And special taking care of the panelists. They share their views, and those submitted their assignment, which will be highly appreciated, and you will be benefited. So don't complain for the internal marks or external marks. Just focus what you are doing. And you must do practice, which I have given you a multiple choice question. I think if you go through the other site, you can find out more than 500 questions which already given to you, multiple choice. All right. So take care. After this lecture, you must make a group of 5 to 10 friends with each other, make a Zoom call or Google Meet. Just discuss about the question with its option. With its option, then definitely you will get the good percentage. Now come on the point. Number 4, enterprise. And enterprise is an organization which is started by the entrepreneur, which we studied in our previous slides, which is we study with the entrepreneur. So there is another solution we got. An entrepreneur who want to be set up a startup, what he required? So we can say land, labor, capital, and his entrepreneurship skill. Then we can make an organization. As you see, if Khushi, just open your mic. Khushi, Tanya, Shusti, I'm able to see you only. Those whosoever from the business family, anyone from your family? Yes. Any other panelist? Aparna, Ritika, Isha, Dhanesh from business family? Yeah. Anyone? Open the mic and video. देखो यार, बातें करो भाई. Yes. Yes, yes. I want to give you example. Anyone from attendees? Aditya, Akash, Adesh, Alok Pratap Singh, Aman. Yes, Arnav Jain. Come on, panel. Yeah. Shivam Vashisht. Shivam Vashisht. Come on the panel. Yes. Come. थोड़ा मजा सा है ना, आप लोग सब लोग आओ, इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करो. यस, वेलकम शिवम. किसी के फैमिली बिजनेस? यस शिवम, जॉइन अस इन अ पैनलिस्ट. कम, ओपन द वीडियो. शिवम.
Yes, sir.
Have you opened video?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good, good. शिवम, कोई शॉप वगैरह आपकी या फ्रेंड की या कोई रिलेटिव में?
सर मेरे अंकल की है शॉप.
किस चीज की है?
सर कन्फेक्शनरी की है दुकान.
कन्फेक्शनरी की. कहाँ पर है?
सर रोटा रोड.
रोटा रोड पर है. किस नाम से है वो शॉप?
मानसी ट्रेडर्स.
Mansi Traders. Okay. So here I am giving you example how he become a entrepreneur. Video on रखो यार, अच्छे लग रहे हो. हाँ, है बिल्कुल फौजी कट है, ना कंघी की चिंता, ना तेल की, ना शैम्पू की. हाँ, डोंट वरी. मैं भी ऐसी करना चाह रहा था, पर मेरा ट्रिमर काम नहीं किया, खाली साइडों से काम किया है. Yes. So Shivam, I am sharing that your uncle Mansi confectionery. They have their own building. अपने घर, वहीं घर है उनका अपना. तो क्या हुआ कि लैंड, सबसे पहला पार्ट था, लैंड उनका अपना हो गया, तो उनको रेंट नहीं देना पड़ रहा. Is it? So here is a reward for them. Number 2, वो खुद काम करते हैं और एक लड़का रखा होगा या नहीं रखा होगा, खुद ही काम करते हैं, तो यानी कि मैन पावर भी उनकी अपनी है. नंबर 3, उन्होंने अपना पैसा लगाया है या बैंक से लोन लिया है?
अपना ही लगाया था.
ठीक है, अपना पैसा लगाया है तो उनके पास इंटरेस्ट भी अपने पैसे का बचता है. और नंबर 4, वो खुद ही एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं. अगर प्रॉफिट होगा तो उनका और लॉस होगा तो उनका. तो यानी कि यहाँ पर हम ये 3 चीजें देखते हैं कि इट्स कॉल्ड द मिक्स्ड इनकम. यानी कि लैंड की जो रेंट है, अगर मान लो शॉप किराए की होती तो वो किसी और को किराया देते. इट्स कॉल्ड एक्सप्लिसिट. इट्स कॉल्ड एक्सप्लिसिट कॉस्ट. आप लोग नोट कर लें, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. एक्सप्लिसिट कॉस्ट मींस आपकी पॉकेट से पैसा बाहर गया, लेकिन क्योंकि यहाँ पैसा बाहर नहीं गया, इट्स कॉल्ड इम्प्लिसिट कॉस्ट. यानी कॉस्ट तो जनरेट हुई. जब हम बुक्स में दिखाते हैं कि भाई मेरी अपनी दुकान है लेकिन इसका रेंट तो बनता है, अगर मैं ये दुकान रेंट पर किसी को दे दूं तो मुझे एक इनकम आएगी ना, तो वो रेंट भी एक तरह से उस कन्फेक्शनरी कंपनी का इनकम हो गया। नंबर 2, या तो वो वहां मैनेजर रखे, सेल्समैन रखे, या वो खुद काम कर रहे हैं। तो अगर वो खुद काम कर रहे हैं तो जो वेजेस या सैलरी है वो उनको खुद मिलेगी, तो वो होगी उनकी इम्प्लिसिट कॉस्ट, यानी कि अपनी ही पॉकेट में रहेगी। अगर किसी को रखते तो उसे देनी पड़ती, तो वो कहलाती एक्सप्लिसिट। If question comes, what is the difference between implicit cost and explicit cost? Then you can be mentioned here. Is it? Expenses तो होता है. Even then there is a zero income, but none of the family in the world there is a zero expenses. Agree? Huh? Even then the zero income in a family, but there is a minimum expenses. रोटी खानी है, पानी पीना है, so many things are there. इंटरनेट का खर्चा होता है, हाँ, इनकम हो ना हो, but there is a some minimum expenses of each and every family. And here you see the land, labor, capital, and enterprise. So these 4 factor of production, 4 owner, agent, or supplier, and the reward for the owners of the factor of production. So this is the example I give. This example called the mixed income. Mixed, all income. अगर हम कहीं नौकरी कर रहे हैं, जॉब कर रहे हैं, तो क्या आता है, हमको लेबर वाली इनकम मिलती है, खाली क्या मिलता है, वेजेस। इज दैट? अगर हमने किसी को पैसा ब्याज पर दिया है तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, इंटरेस्ट। और हमने किसी से ब्याज पर पैसा लिया है तो हमारा खर्चा क्या है, इंटरेस्ट। अगर हमने ये तीनों फैक्टर को पे किया है अपने रेवेन्यू में से, तो इन तीनों फैक्टर को पे करने के बाद अगर कुछ बचता है तो वो क्या होता है, प्रॉफिट। वो प्रॉफिट आता है एंटरप्रेन्योर की जेब में सबसे लास्ट, इज इट? और ये लॉस भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि कोई भी सेटअप जब शुरू में चलते हैं तो जरूरी नहीं कि पहले दिन से प्रॉफिट देना शुरू कर दे, होता है ऐसा? तो ऑल एंटरप्रेन्योर फर्स्ट दे पेड to all factor of production, then they can keep their profit or loss. Is that clear of this slide? This is a very important slide. Is it? Yeah, panelist and others can be write down on the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Good one. Anshul, good. So Shivam, go ahead again, huh? हम बनेंगे, अब क्या बनेंगे, गजनी, शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी। ऐसा तो नहीं है ना? So land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. Land, labor, capital, entrepreneur is a factor of production. For set up the any industry, for set up the any organization, we need this 4 factor of production. And what is the cost of factor of production? Rent, wages, interest, and profit and loss. Is that clear to everyone? And supplier and agent of factor of production, nature, free gift from the nature. आपने देखा होगा जो सीमेंट की फैक्ट्रियां हैं मध्य प्रदेश में बहुत है, वहां बड़े बड़े पहाड़ हैं जो कंपनियां 100 साल के लीज पर ले लेती है, 99 ईयर की लीज। वो उन पत्थरों को तोड़ के पीस के सीमेंट बनाती है, उसमें और थोड़ा सा केमिकल मिलता है। इज दैट? सो क्या हुआ, लीज पर। वो किससे लिया उन्होंने, गवर्नमेंट से लिया। अब आपके घर में जो रोडी बदरपुर आता है ना, रोडी वगैरह कंक्रीट जिससे हम कंस्ट्रक्शन में यूज करते हैं, वो आप देखेंगे जब आप हरिद्वार की तरफ जाते हैं या देहरादून की तरफ, डिफरेंट वेज से, वहां पर आप देखते हैं बहुत सारे रेनी रिवर्स हैं, और रेनी रिवर्स में बड़े बड़े स्टोन होते हैं। तो उन स्टोन को क्रश करके शेप दे दी जाती है, छोटी बड़ी जैसी भी रिक्वायरमेंट है। सड़कें बनती हैं, बिल्डिंगें बनती हैं, फर्श बनता है, रोड बनती हैं। Is it? So these are the things which we can be developed as per the part of our entrepreneurship. All right, we use the natural resource. So shall we come on the next? Here, now it is clear to everyone what is the wage employment and what is the entrepreneurship. दीपिका मैडम, ये क्लास कितने बजे तक है? 12 से 1:30 का टाइम था, 12 से 1 का। कैन एनीवन सजेस्ट मी?
सर 1।
12 to 1 है। दीपिका, yes, I promoted you as a panel member. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Welcome. So timing of class क्या है?
Sir, 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock.
Okay, 1 hour का हो गया। पहले हमारा 1:30 तक था ना?